Hugh Jackman got absolutely shredded at 55 years old for Deadpool and Wolverine, using a training protocol that would crush most people half his age. The foundation was brutal compound movements. We're talking heavy squats that made his legs scream, deadlifts that tested his entire posterior chain, and overhead presses that built those signature Wolverine shoulders. No fancy machines or Instagram workouts here. His nutrition was military precise, 6 meals daily of clean, high-protein foods. Think grilled chicken, lean beef, rice, and vegetables portioned to the gram. Every single meal calculated to fuel muscle growth while maintaining that razor-sharp definition. But here's where it gets interesting. While building mass, Jackman incorporated high-intensity metabolic circuits to stay lean, short bursts of explosive movement that kept his body fat percentage ridiculously low while adding muscle mass. Recovery became his secret weapon. Daily ice baths to reduce inflammation, sauna sessions for heat shock proteins, and prioritizing 8 hours of deep sleep every night. Most people focus on the workout, but ignore the recovery that actually builds the muscle. The discipline required was insane. Training twice daily, meal prep every Sunday, tracking every macro, never missing a recovery session, for months on end without a single cheat day or skipped workout. This wasn't some Hollywood trainer creating fake movie magic with lighting and CGI. Jackman actually transformed his physiology at an age when most men are declining. He proved that with the right system, age becomes irrelevant. The real question isn't whether you could handle the Wolverine workout, it's whether you have the mental fortitude to execute the same level of consistency for 6 straight months without wavering once.